What you wear on your next flight could literally make or break your entire travel experience. And mistake number 4 that I'm about to reveal has left countless passengers stranded at security checkpoints, missing their flights completely. I've spent the last decade traveling to over 60 countries, and I've witnessed fashion disasters that turned dream vacations into absolute nightmares. Picture this: you're running late for your flight, you finally make it to security, and then boom, you're stuck there for 20 minutes because of what you decided to wear that morning. Sound familiar? Today I'm breaking down the 7 biggest clothing mistakes that transform seasoned travelers into airport amateurs, and trust me, you don't want to learn these lessons the hard way. Let's start with mistake number 1, wearing complicated shoes. I see this everywhere. People strutting through airports in boots with 15 different buckles, high-top sneakers with metal details, or those trendy platform shoes that take forever to remove. Here's the reality check. You're going to remove your shoes at security in most countries, and flight attendants need you to evacuate quickly in emergencies. Those cute lace-up boots that take 5 minutes to put back on? They're going to slow you down and annoy everyone behind you in line. The smart move? Slip-on shoes that you can kick off and slide back on in seconds. Think clean white sneakers without metal eyelets or simple loafers. Your feet will thank you during long flights too, because let's be honest, they're going to swell up there anyway. Mistake number 2 hits your wallet where it hurts: wearing clothes without sufficient pockets or bags. I've watched people fumble around trying to juggle their passport, boarding pass, phone, and wallet while navigating security lines. It's chaos, and it's completely avoidable. Choose clothing with secure, accessible pockets, or invest in a travel belt or crossbody bag that keeps your essentials organized and your hands free. When you're rushing to catch a connection, the last thing you want is to be digging through 17 different compartments looking for your documents. Now here's mistake number 3 that screams amateur traveler: overdressing for the airport. I get it, you want to look good, but wearing your fanciest jewelry, expensive watch, or that designer belt with the massive metal buckle is asking for trouble. Not only will these items slow you down at security, but they also make you a target for pickpockets and put valuable items at risk of being lost or damaged during your journey. Keep your valuable accessories in your carry-on until you reach your destination. The airport isn't a fashion runway, and comfort should always trump style when you're traveling. But here's the big one, mistake number 4 that I promised would shock you. Never, and I mean never, wear clothing with offensive language, controversial statements, or inappropriate images when flying. This isn't just about being courteous to other passengers, though that's important too. Airlines have the absolute right to refuse boarding to anyone whose clothing they deem inappropriate or offensive. I've personally witnessed passengers being asked to change shirts, turn clothing inside out, or even being denied boarding entirely because their outfit violated airline dress codes. One passenger missed a connecting flight to his sister's wedding because he refused to change a shirt with explicit language. Another traveler was removed from a flight for wearing clothing with drug references. Airlines are incredibly strict about this, especially on international flights where cultural sensitivities vary dramatically. What might seem harmless in your home country could be deeply offensive elsewhere. Save the edgy t-shirts for your destination, not the journey there. Mistake number 5 is all about fabric choices that'll make you miserable. Wearing non-breathable synthetic materials during long flights is torture. Those polyester pants that looked great in the store, they're going to stick to your skin and leave you feeling gross after hours of sitting. Airplane cabins have notoriously dry air, and synthetic fabrics make this worse. Cotton, bamboo, or moisture-wicking athletic wear keeps you comfortable and fresh throughout your journey. Plus, these materials are easier to wash if you're traveling light and doing laundry on the road. Mistake number 6 targets your comfort zone: wearing restrictive clothing that limits your movement. Tight jeans, fitted blazers, or constricting undergarments might look sharp, but they become torture devices at 30,000 feet. Your body needs room to breathe and move, especially on long-haul flights where you'll be sitting for hours. Stretchy fabrics and loose-fitting clothes that still look presentable are your best friends when traveling. You can still look put together without sacrificing comfort. The final mistake that'll ruin your travel day is wearing light-colored clothing that shows every stain and wrinkle. Airports are messy places. Airplane food spills happen. And that pristine white shirt you started with can look like a disaster by the time you land. Dark colors and patterns hide mishaps better and help you look fresh throughout your journey. Navy, black, or patterned clothing maintains that polished appearance even after unexpected travel chaos. Here's your action plan. Build a travel wardrobe around comfort, functionality, and versatility. Dark, wrinkle-resistant fabrics, slip-on shoes, secure pockets, and neutral designs that work anywhere. Your future traveling self will thank you when you're gliding through airports while others struggle with their poor clothing choices. Remember, the goal isn't to win fashion awards at the airport. It's to arrive at your destination comfortable, on time, and ready to enjoy your adventure.